وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا لُقْمَانَ الْحِكْمَةَ أَنِ اشْكُرْ لِلَّهِ وَمَنْ يَشْكُرْ فَإِنَّمَا يَشْكُرُ لِنَفْسِهِ وَمَنْ كَفَرَ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ غَنِيٌّ حَمِيدٌ. وَإِذْ قَالَ لُقْمَانُ لِابْنِهِ وَهُوَ يَعِظُهُ يَا بُنَيَّ لَا تُشْرِكْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّ الشِّرْكَ لَظُلْمٌ عَظِيمٌ. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: لا تشرك بالله شيئا ولو قطعت وحرقت. And verily we gave Luqman the wisdom, saying, Be grateful to Allah, and whoever is grateful, then he is only grateful for himself, and whoever is ungrateful, then indeed Allah is free of need, praiseworthy. And when Luqman said to his son while he was instructing him, O my son, do not associate partners with Allah. Indeed, associating partners with Allah is surely a great injustice. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do not associate anything with Allah, even if you are cut or burned. Sunnah Ibn Majah.